To remove floating icons from Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, first of all, as you can see, I have two different floating icons on my screen. You may have more or different icons, so I will show you how to remove most of them. First case is to just click and hold on the icon, and then you will see either remove or edit button. If you go for edit, you will see accessibility settings, and then just make sure that everything right there is disabled. Now, as you can, we just removed one of the buttons, but there's still this one right here. If we click and hold it, nothing happens. This is the assistant menu or accessibility menu that you can remove in the settings. Again, go to accessibility. Then you can click on the interactions and dexterity, and then there's assistant menu that you can turn off. If you have any other buttons that are floating around your screen and you want to remove them, let me down in the comments and describe those. I will try to help you remove them. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.